Hi, and welcome to Lesson 3 of Chain Products for WooCommerce, creating and managing chain product bundles. In this video demonstration of chained products, I will show you how to create and manage chained product bundles. We will also cover adding or removing chained products, reusing bundles, managing download access, and provide real-world examples such as subscriptions. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Products and then click on All Products. Next, edit a product. Scroll down to the Product Data section. Now, click on the Linked Products tab. In Chained Products, search for the product you wish to bundle. You can add multiple chained products by clicking the plus button. In Chained Products, you can include a downloadable or physical product. Let's add our second chained product. You can set the quantities for each product within the bundle. You can also enable stock management for chained products. If enabled, this product will not be added to the cart if any of the above chained products are out of stock. Check the box labeled Update Existing Orders if you want to update existing orders with the above chained products. Once the settings are configured, scroll up and click Update. You can reuse the same chain bundle for multiple products. Simply edit a different product, go to the Chain Products tab and add the same items. This saves time and ensures your bundles are consistent. If you're offering a subscription, you can bundle a monthly guide and a physical product such as a planner. Chained products simplify the automated management of these items. That completes the process. You have created a chained product bundle. Try it out yourself and observe how it functions in your store. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.